Hey everybody, it's your homegirl Angel, and I'm here in my car, but this is an exciting little video I'm about to hit you up with because I'm here in Santa Ana and I'm about to head over to my homegirl Heartless's car show. So let's go check out the ride, see what's going on. But before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I'm here on the corner and it's already sounding good.
So much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Got anything to say? This is YouTube.
I just want to say thank you to Angel, thank you Sparkles for giving me the tools I need to throw my first car show, the confidence I needed, and everybody that came out. Much love to you guys. It's going to be bigger and better next year, so thank you everybody that came out today. Angel, Sparkles, thank you guys so much, and let's have a few minutes.
Oh, nice. We love you.
Our son was diagnosed with autism at the age of 6, and he just turned 14 on Friday the 21st. That's where we get the 21 from, 21 West. And we wanted to build a brand for our son, so when he gets out of high school, he has something to look forward to and something to run on his own. And we donate 20% to the Autism Society.
A lot of families aren't fortunate the way we are, where we have insurance and we're able to send our son to therapy, get our son, you know, the help and the stuff that he needs. Not a lot of families are fortunate to do that. My son is big on giving back to his community. Now that he's becoming older, he's understanding his community. He's understanding that he's different but the same.
That's awesome.
Okay.
So this is Maria and Christina, Angel, and I just want to share their story because it's kind of cute. Well, it's very cute.
It's so chula.
I gotta show this
So chula.
So what happened was Maria took a sewing class at Joann's, and then one of the first things that they kind of showed her how to make was a makeup bag. And this was like the original type of makeup bag she learned how to make. So then she turned it around and got better and better and started making lots of little makeup bags.
Oh my gosh, and it turned into a business. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the car show, and remember that if you have something going on, leave it in the comments and maybe I'll be able to head on and visit you as well. See you later. Thanks for watching, and